Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set an image behind text Excel. To start, we open Excel. There, we will go to the Page Layout menu. Here, you will click on the background option. As you can see, you have some alternatives to add the image. In this case, we click on From a File. When we select the image, we click on Insert. Now you can see the background image in the spreadsheet. It will be possible to enter the desired information and make text adjustments so that it is visible. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.